Welcome, dear friends, to Read with Me. Sit down and relax your mind. Let us read slowly together. Take a calm, deep breath. Open your eyes and heart. Our story begins softly now. In a small, quiet village, a young boy lived there. His name was Leo. Leo had bright, gentle eyes. His smile was soft and shy, but his mind was full of dreams and wonder, full of questions and hope, full of quiet courage. Every morning, Leo woke early. The sun touched his window softly. Golden light filled his room. Leo sat near the window. He looked far into sky. The sky called his heart. Clouds moved slowly above him. White clouds like silent ships. They sailed across blue oceans. Leo watched them every morning. His eyes followed their journey. His mind traveled with them. He whispered one secret dream. One day I will fly. One day I will touch clouds. Other children played outside loudly. They ran and laughed together. Dust rose under their feet. Leo sometimes joined their games, but his heart stayed elsewhere. His heart lived in sky. One afternoon, he asked Mother, "Mother, can dreams come true?" Mother looked at him gently. Her eyes were warm and wise. "Yes, my child, they can. But dreams need brave hearts. Dreams need patience and effort. Dreams need quiet determination. Dreams need strong belief." Leo listened very carefully. Her words entered his heart. Something bright woke inside. That night, Leo could not sleep. Stars filled the dark sky. They shone like tiny lights. Leo stood by the window. He looked at shining stars. His dream felt closer tonight. He whispered again, very softly, "One day I will fly. One day I will be free." Next morning, Leo walked outside. The air smelled fresh and sweet. Morning birds sang gently. A bird suddenly flew above. Its wings moved strong and smooth. Leo watched with shining eyes. How do birds fly? How do wings carry bodies? How does wind lift life? These questions filled his mind. They danced inside his thoughts. Curiosity became his fire. Leo began drawing every day. He drew birds and wings. He drew small flying machines. His notebook filled slowly, page after page of dreams, page after page of hope. Some children laughed at him. They pointed at his drawings. They called him Little Dreamer. Leo felt small sometimes. Their laughter touched his heart. But his dream stayed alive. He remembered Mother's quiet words. Dreams need brave hearts. Dreams need belief. So Leo kept learning daily. He watched birds very carefully. He studied their movements patiently. He noticed wide wings glide. He noticed small wings flutter. Every detail mattered deeply. At school, Leo asked questions. Many questions about flying things. His teacher listened kindly. One day, teacher asked softly, "Leo, what do you want?" Leo answered without fear, "I want to fly someday. I want to touch clouds. I want to see sky." The teacher smiled slowly. "Your dream is beautiful, Leo. Never stop following it. Dreams begin with curiosity. Dreams grow with knowledge. Dreams live through courage. Leo felt warmth in heart. Someone believed in him. That feeling gave him strength. Years moved forward slowly. Seasons changed around Leo, but his dream stayed bright. Rain fell many evenings. Wind sang through tall trees. Leo studied near lamplight. Books opened new worlds. Books explained wings and wind. Books revealed secrets of sky. Sometimes lessons were difficult. Numbers danced confusingly. Ideas felt heavy sometimes. Leo closed eyes and breathed. He remembered flying birds. He remembered shining clouds. Slowly, understanding arrived. Little answers joined together. Knowledge grew inside him. Leo built small flying models. Tiny wings made of paper. Tiny dreams made with hope. Some models fell quickly. Some broke on the ground. But one flew farther. Leo ran across fields. His small plane glided gently. His heart jumped with joy. "It worked," he whispered. The wind carried it forward. The sky welcomed it. That moment changed everything. Leo believed deeply now. His dream was possible. More years quietly passed. Leo became a young man, but inside lived dreamer. One bright morning arrived. Leo stood near a runway. A real plane waited there. The silver wings shined brightly. Sunlight danced across metal. Leo felt breathless wonder. His teacher stood beside him. She remembered the quiet boy, the boy who watched clouds. "Today you fly, Leo. Today your dream begins," she spoke with pride. Leo climbed into the cockpit. His hands trembled slightly. His heart beat loudly. The engine stined slowly. The ground moved beneath wheels. Wind rushed around wings. The plane lifted gently. The earth moved farther away. Sky opened wide above. Leo looked through the window. Clouds floated beside him, just like his childhood dream. Tears filled his eyes. Not tears of sadness, tears of victory. All those quiet mornings, all those patient lessons, all those brave hopes, they brought him here. They carried him upward. They lifted his dream. High above the village, Leo whispered softly again, "Thank you, little dream." Dreams start very small, like seeds in soil, quiet but powerful. With patience, they grow. With courage, they rise. With belief, they fly. So, dear friends, remember Leo. Protect your beautiful dreams. Follow them step by step. And keep reading with Read With Me. Each day, your English grows stronger. Each day, your dreams grow wings.